It is started running, right? Recording. But where it is storing, I don't know. Okay, we have to search it later point of time. Okay, so what we have done, we are done with the view where we are having spinner. Okay, and now as soon as you will have the view, you should do the find view by id. Okay, so we'll do this private, which is the view we are working with, spinner. So we'll make it as a spinner and have one instance variable. So I have given the instance variable called private, spinner, and always your instance variable is best practice, you should make it private. Okay, because of our encapsulation. Okay, you should not expose your variable to outside. Okay, because they can do anything, they can do some sort of, they can pass some sort of data which you are not required for, basically. Okay, so they can inject some bad stuff. So now what to do, you want to have find view id. So how will you tell me? spinner 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 capital S. Why? Because I am looking for this variable. Okay, so spinner equal to, what is the method to get the reference? Find view by id. So just type find view, automatically it will come, and just choose it, find view by id. Okay, then how will you do? R dot id, sorry, R dot is not coming, something happened with this. R dot, tell me how will do? id dot, which one? Spinner. We are looking for a spinner, right? Spinner. You don't type. If you type again, some spelling mistake and other things will be there. So automatically take it from your suggestions. Now what you do? You go here, cast it. What is the shortcut? Alt Enter. Because red color is there, right? So you want to choose it. So red color. Alt Enter. So we got the reference of your spinner. So this first part is done. View is done. Now what we need? We need data. Okay, so we'll go. If you want to have the same data, I can just uncomment this, the same data which was there for your country names. So private string array, all the data source. So I want to show the same data. Okay, yeah. Now as you are done with your spinner, so we are done with your view, you are done with your data. Now what you need adapter. Okay, so let's try to create one adapter. Which is simplest adapter? Array adapter. Okay, then give the data type. What is the data type you want to support? What is the data type you want to support? Okay, so what is the data type? String. We are supporting S capital, again S capital. So I will choose string. Okay, control space, give the variable name array adapter equal to, how to create an object? New array adapter. Just choose array adapter. That's all. It will ask for 3 parameters. What are those? First one is your context. Okay, so context means your current class. So okay, current class main activity dot this. Okay, we'll discuss more about the context while going through. That is also one of the very important chapter which will ask. Okay, context. So for time being, you just have the activity as your context. Okay, then second, what will be the layout? So how to get the layout? We want to use the Android layout. So what to do? Android dot r dot layout dot simple. See here somewhere you will get simple spinner. So spinner, see, spinner item. I'm looking for spinner item. Okay, what is the third parameter? Data source. Okay, so just pass the data source, that's all. So go line by line. I mean, whenever you got red color, stop over there only. Until unless you will not fix the red color, don't go for the next line. Otherwise, if you go till the end, there might be where what is the origin, you will not be able to find out. So until unless compilation is not success, don't go to the next line until unless you will not fix the compilation. Okay, so something like if I did not write the id, then it will give me problem, right? So always fix the problem, then go to the next line. Yeah, so our adapter is done. Okay, now what I told, because you in spinner you click on this new view is coming, right? So you should have set drop down view resource. So how will you do that? Tell me. Array adapter dot set a drop down view resource. Are you able to see one method is coming? Set again. Array adapter means this the variable we are using here. Variable, not the class. So array adapter name can be anything, ABC. Then you have to use ABC dot. Okay. Yeah. Now as I told, this is a drop down view resource, so we'll use the Android one. So how will you do? Android dot r dot layout dot which one? Simple simple spinner drop down. Are you able to see somewhere? Simple. Let's try to have spinner drop down item. Okay, because you want to have the drop down of all the spinners, right? So you are using this spinner. If you want to see how this particular layouts is designed, just use control and you will be able to go to the layout. Yeah, this is the layout. Okay, this we did not develop. It is developed by Android guys only. They had given us some sort of predefined stuff. That's why we are using what we are using. We are using Android dot. When we will design, then what we are using? You are using only R. Only R means what we are doing, we have designed. I mean the developer who is doing. And if I am doing Android R means what happened? This is already designed for me by Android people. Okay. So there are built-in things which you can use, right? Android.R. Okay. Our R will have our same package name. So see, yeah. So this R means our package name. This Android R means it is coming from Android. Okay. Yeah. So we have done with the. So what happened? Our selection widget is done, view done, data done, adapter also done. So now I have to set this adapter here, right, in my spinner. Okay. So before going this list activity, we have to remove it, make it our normal activity. Because list activity can work only and only with list views. So now we will remove the list activity. In previous example, we have changed it to list activity. We will make it to normal activity. Okay, now we can set the adapter. So how will you set the adapter? Where you want to set the adapter? In spinner. Okay, so we'll use this variable name spinner dot keyboard is not working. Okay, spinner dot. Then what is the method name? Set adapter. That's all. Set adapter. And what adapter you want to set? Array adapter. So just give the name array. That's all. However, just mention it. You will be able to see the spinner. So let's run this code. It's taking so much time. I mean, maybe first run will take time. Okay. Red color. Do we have any problem? Yeah. This is the problem. Okay. So this one was for your list items, right? So we don't have any red color, means we are fine. Yeah. So building is finished. Now it should run. Okay. So it got run. Yeah. So now see, this is your spinner. When you select on it, then only your listing will come. Okay. Suppose if I choose Korea, who will be selected? Korea will be selected. If I choose USA, then USA will be selected. Got it, right? So similar to your list view, but what is the advantage of it? It will take less space than your list view, because list view will take a lot of space in your screen. Okay. Now again, our thing will be remaining same. What to do? If I select USA, this nothing is selected. We will make it to USA. That means you are able to catch that user is clicking USA or India. What user is clicking? How will you catch? Until you don't know the callback, you will not be able to catch it, right? So we'll try to catch that. What user is selecting? Okay. So similar to this, I mean, in your list, what we are having on list item click. Okay. Now here we will have one of those callbacks similar to this. Similar to this, there are two things. Try to understand this, then we'll do that. Okay. One is clicking. What is the another one? Selecting. So in this case, are you clicking or selecting? On click of this, I am selecting. In listing of view, we click, we don't select. Okay, but here what you are doing, many are there. Out of those, you are selecting one or two or three. So you are selecting any of the items. Are you able to understand? So in this case, tell me what we should write: set on item click or set on item selected. You are selecting something, right? So we will use selection. Okay. So what to do? Spinner dot spinner. Okay. Then what to do? Dot okay. So what we do? We will do this spinner dot. Okay. Then what you want to do? You want to have the selection, right? So set on item selected. Okay. So set on item. You just type set on item. On item, what you want to do? You don't want to click. What you want to do? You want to get the listener selection of listener. You can get click listener. So when it would be called when you just clicking. Okay. So we want to have the selection. So you just choose the on item selected listener. Similar to your, if you remember in your on button click listener, on click listener, right? So similarly here also on item selected listener. How you do? New. You write new inside this. Control space, just choose the second one. You want to do this on item selected listener. That's all. Everything your Android Studio will do. You just need to do the control space. Automatically it will come. Okay. Now whenever I will select, what method should be called? Tell me. On item selected. We are having the callback called on item selected. Automatically your callback will come there. Okay, and similar to your previous example, what you want to do? You want to set the name over there, right? So before that, what you do? You have to do this find view ID for the text view. Where you want to set it? So private text view. What this text view is all about? This text view is this one. When you text view is this one, the one on the top, right? So we have to do this text view. Now how to get the reference? Find view by ID. Okay, so we'll just copy this text view here after set content view always. Okay, don't do before that. Equal to find view by ID r dot id dot id dot text view. Sorry, what is the name of that? Let's check it. What is the name of this? Selection is the name of it, right? So we have to use the same name. Both name must be same, otherwise you will not be able to catch it. Okay, then alt enter, cast it to your so what happened? You got the reference of the text view. Now you can set the text in your text view, right? So how to set it? Here in this method, right? So what to do? Text view dot set. How to set a text in your text view? Set text. Okay. You already have the position. Can I pass the position and get the data from array? Yes. How to get it? Square bracket, right? So what is my array name? Tell me. Data source. Just pass the position. What is the position? Position is your position. That's all. Automatically what will happen? It will be set in your text view. Okay, let's run it. Yeah, indexing means last one in installing APK. Yep. Now India is selected, so India, Pakistan, China, Nepal. So when you are selecting it, automatically the callback is coming in where set on item selected listener. Go over there, automatically you will get it. Okay. So this is the way how you will get the. This is the way how we work basically. Okay. Any doubt? Simple only, right? Okay. Let's move to the another one. Okay. Now let's talk about grid view. We'll do it today only or next class? We'll practice this only. Practice this. Okay. So first, I mean, basic things you do. I mean, your basics will be clear. Then we will go fast. Okay. Because if you are not able to do that, then other things will be getting problem. Okay. So practice for this. Tomorrow we will have class. No. Okay. So day after tomorrow we will have. Okay. Day after tomorrow, then 3 class regular. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tuesday we'll check it. Tuesday is Diwali, so Sunday is Diwali. How come they are giving Tuesday holiday to us? Don't know. We'll check it, but we'll have class. Okay. In evening, Sunday we'll have class. Wednesday also class will be there. 3 days class. 3-day class. Tomorrow you enjoy. Tomorrow have Diwali. Okay, so spinner you practice. Let's stop recording.